Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, this video is going to be a follow-up video on the Nubian Museum of Fine Arts video. It's basically a lecture, so we have one of the museum's representatives speaking in detail about Nubian culture and so on, the artifacts and things like that. So check it out, and hope you like the video, and talk to you next time, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not a new subscriber. Thanks for watching.
More than it is a geographical place that is bounded by borders. And so, although many of the objects that have been featured in this exhibition have been at the museum for a long time, they have not necessarily been on view. And so this exhibition is an opportunity to think about a number of different issues, certainly among them the majesty and amazing qualities of these ancient civilizations that flourished in the Nile Valley for over 3,000 years, but also to think about their story and how they got here and the relevance of the notion of story itself. And so how do we, in cultural institutions, tell stories about other cultures? What does it mean to host an exhibition of a work of a civilization for whom their story has largely been obscured in history? So for centuries, the history of Nubia is one that has been told through perspectives outside of the Nubians themselves. And so as we will see, as we walk through the exhibition, we'll begin to think about how those stories have been articulated and what this exhibition is trying to do, and to encourage that broader understanding of dialogue. So you'll see that exhibition, in terms of the organization of the exhibition, is organized largely in sort of three major areas that correspond chronologically to the areas in Nubia. So we're going to look initially at this period in Kerma, which you'll see extends from 2400 to 1550 BCE. We're going to be looking at this relationship of the interconnectedness of Egypt and Nubia, and the ways in which I think a lot of times we try to establish defined boundaries around this is Egyptian and this is Nubian, but what we've learned, certainly through the study of these objects, is the significant interplay and cultural dialogue that is taking place between Egypt and Nubia. So we'll think a little bit about that as well. The Nubian period, which was this period in which there was a tremendous amount of kind of resurgence of Nubian culture, and a period in which the Nubians actually conquered Egypt, and the emergence of very, very important kingdoms and dynasties. We'll be looking at a couple of objects from this period, and then the Merovingian period as well, and which corresponds largely to this Greco-Roman period. So you'll be seeing objects that are actually not part of the exhibition, but that are from other parts of our galleries that hinge on this question of commercial trade, as this area in Nubia was a tremendously important trading post in the Greco-Roman world. So also be thinking about those networks and points of connection as well. The other thing that I want to mention that's really important when taking into consideration this exhibition is the role that language plays. And so for much of Nubian history, there is not a recorded language that is indigenous to or specific to the Nubian culture until you get to the Merovingian period. So largely in this period of Kerma, as well as the Egyptian occupation of Nubia, the ways in which we understand the sort of cultural aspects of the Nubians is through an Egyptian lens, which has often been one that has been highly critical and largely obscuring of its Nubian neighbors. In the Nubian period, we begin to see that Nubians adopt the hieroglyphic principles of the Egyptian linguistic system, and so it's the first time we start to hear Nubians speaking about their culture and their history and their battlefronts in their own words, but they're using hieroglyphic language. It is when we get into this Merovingian period that we uncover a greater understanding of a unique language of the Nubians themselves. The only kicker is that we don't understand it. And so scholars are at work right now trying to understand the grammatical interconnectedness of the language, so we understand what the characters are, and there's a lot of research to suggest that we understand what the sounds are. We may have nouns and places, but we actually don't have a scholarly handle on the kind of grammatical infrastructure of that language. So just to be keeping in our minds this notion of who tells whose story in this exhibition. The other really important thing to keep in mind is that in an effort to, I think, be more transparent about the role that the museum has played in acquiring these objects, it's also been very important to underscore through this exhibition the archaeological attitudes that shaped how these objects arrived here. And the expedition, which was run jointly by the MFA and Harvard, was led by an MFA curator and early archaeologist named George Reisner, who for his period was cutting edge in terms of the kind of technologies he was using, and there are copious notes and details and object registers, and the archaeological methods that he adopted have informed a great deal of what we know, certainly about ancient Egypt and ancient Nubia as well. But it is also important to point out that he was operating under a series of attitudes and perceptions that we would largely understand as being very racist today. And so we will be exploring that in the exhibition as well, and we'll start to think a little bit more critically about how the cultural attitudes of the excavators and of scholars shape that broader understanding of the story of these objects and how we understand them. Sound good? All right, so we will proceed into that first gallery.